Welcome to the English Story Well channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young boy named Rohan. He was very intelligent and loved learning new things. However, he had one big problem. He could not speak English fluently. He always felt nervous while speaking English in front of others. Whenever he tried, he made mistakes and people laughed at him. Because of this, he started avoiding situations where he had to speak English. One day, his teacher, Mr. Sharma, noticed that Rohan was very quiet during the English lessons. He asked, "Rohan, why don't you participate in class discussions?" Rohan hesitated but finally replied, "Sir, I want to speak English, but I am afraid of making mistakes." Mr. Sharma smiled and said, "Rohan, learning to speak English is just like learning to ride a bicycle. In the beginning, you will fall, but if you keep practicing, you will become better. Let me teach you some simple ways to improve your English speaking skills. 1. Start speaking with simple sentences." Mr. Sharma said, "You don't have to speak difficult English to sound smart. Start with simple sentences. For example, white heavy checkmark simple. I like to play football. White heavy checkmark difficult. Engaging in the sport of football brings me immense joy." Rohan realized that he was trying too hard to use difficult words. He decided to keep his sentences short and easy. 2. Think in English. Mr. Sharma continued, "Many people first think in their native language and then translate into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try thinking directly in English." Rohan asked, "But how can I do that?" Mr. Sharma suggested, "Look at things around you and describe them in English in your mind. White heavy check mark example. Instead of thinking, Mui pani pina hai, think, I want to drink water." Rohan started practicing this every day. Slowly, he became more comfortable thinking in English. 3. Practice with a mirror. Mr. Sharma gave another tip. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. This will help you improve confidence. Rohan tried it that evening. At first, he felt shy, but soon, he started enjoying it. He spoke about his day, his hobbies, and his dreams. White heavy checkmark example. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast, and then went to school. 4. Listen to English every day. Mr. Sharma explained, listening is very important for speaking. The more you listen, the better you will speak. He advised Rohan to white heavy checkmark watch English movies and cartoons with subtitles. White heavy checkmark listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. White heavy checkmark follow English podcasts or YouTube videos. Rohan started watching English cartoons like Dora the Explorer and listening to simple English podcasts. He noticed that he was learning new words and correct pronunciation. 5. Speak slowly and clearly. Rohan asked, "Sir, I get nervous and speak too fast. Then, people don't understand me." Mr. Sharma said, "It's okay to speak slowly. Focus on clear pronunciation instead of speed." White heavy checkmark example. Instead of, I want to go to the shop, say, I want to go to the shop. 6. Join an English-speaking group. Mr. Sharma suggested, find a group of friends who also want to improve their English. Practice speaking with them. Rohan found 3 classmates who also wanted to improve their English. They started talking to each other only in English for 30 minutes every day. This practice helped them gain confidence. 7. Learn 5 new words every day. Mr. Sharma said, vocabulary is important. Learn 5 new words daily and use them in sentences. Rohan started writing new words in a notebook. He made sentences with them and used them in conversations. White heavy checkmark example. New word. Excited. Sentence. I am excited about my school trip. 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. One day, Rohan made a mistake while speaking, and his friends laughed. He felt embarrassed and stopped talking. Mr. Sharma noticed this and said, "Rohan, mistakes are a part of learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes. The important thing is to keep trying." Rohan promised himself that he would not stop speaking, even if he made mistakes. 9. Use English in daily life. Mr. Sharma advised, try to use English in your daily routine. Rohan started. White heavy checkmark ordering food in English at restaurants. White heavy checkmark asking for directions in English. White heavy checkmark talking to his younger brother in English. This helped him get more comfortable with the language. 10. Read aloud every day. Mr. Sharma gave Rohan an English storybook and said, read one page aloud every day. This will improve your pronunciation and fluency. Rohan started reading for 10 minutes every day. Soon, his pronunciation improved, and he felt more confident. Final results. After 3 months, Rohan's English speaking skills improved a lot.
He was no longer afraid to speak in class.
He participated in discussions, made new friends, and even gave a speech in English at school. His teacher, Mr. Sharma, was very proud of him. He said, "Rohan, you've proved that with practice and confidence, anyone can learn to speak English easily." Rohan smiled and replied, "Thank you, sir. Now I love speaking English." Moral of the story. Anyone can learn to speak English easily with regular practice, patience, and confidence. Start with simple sentences, listen to English, practice daily, and never be afraid of mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will become. If you found this helpful, start practicing today and become a confident English speaker. How to learn English speaking easily. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Are you struggling with English speaking and looking for easy ways to improve? Then this video is for you. Rock it! In this video, we will share simple and effective techniques to help you learn English speaking easily. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to improve, these practical tips will guide you step by step to speak English fluently without fear. What you will learn in this video. White heavy checkmark how to start speaking English with simple sentences. White heavy checkmark the best ways to think in English without translating. White heavy checkmark mirror practice, a powerful method to boost confidence. White heavy checkmark how to listen and learn English naturally. White heavy checkmark the importance of speaking slowly and clearly. White heavy checkmark how to join an English speaking group for regular practice. White heavy checkmark 5 new words daily challenge to improve vocabulary. White heavy checkmark the secret to overcoming fear and mistakes in English speaking. White heavy checkmark how to use English in daily life for quick improvement. White heavy checkmark reading aloud technique to improve fluency and pronunciation. Who should watch this video? Heavy checkmark students who want to speak better English in school. Heavy checkmark job seekers preparing for English interviews. Heavy checkmark professionals who need English for work and business communication. Heavy checkmark travelers who want to speak English confidently abroad. Heavy checkmark anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills easily. Why watch this video? Glowing star easy to follow tips. No complex grammar rules. Glowing star beginner-friendly methods. Perfect for non-native speakers. Glowing star practical exercises. Start speaking English today. Final message. Speaking English fluently is possible with regular practice and the right techniques. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Start applying these tips today, and you will see a huge difference in your English speaking skills. Backhand index pointing right, watch till the end, and start your English speaking journey now. Speech balloon. Bell, don't forget to like, thumbs up, share, counterclockwise arrows button, and subscribe bell for more English learning videos. Loudspeaker comment below. What is the biggest challenge you face in English speaking? Let's discuss and improve together. Speech balloon.